Hey, hey, my amazing English learners! Welcome back to another episode of English with Shakespeare. I'm your friendly teacher, Shakespeare, not the old poet, but your modern guide to clear, confident English. Today, we're talking about a big problem many learners face: translating in your head. Have you ever tried to speak English and your brain goes, "Okay, what's that word in English?" You think in your language, translate, then speak, and everything feels slow or awkward. I get it. It happens to everyone. But here's the good news. You can learn to think directly in English. And in this episode, I'll show you exactly how. We're going to cover why translating slows down your fluency, daily exercises to help you start thinking in English, and how to stop translating and speak more naturally. Let's get started. Part 1. Why translating hurts your fluency. Let's begin with a simple truth. Translating in your head slows you down. Imagine your brain is a road. If you translate every sentence from your language to English before speaking, you're taking a long, bumpy road instead of the fast, straight one. Here's what happens. You think in your language, you search for English words, you worry, is this grammar correct? You speak too slowly or with hesitation. X. This process is tiring. It kills your confidence, and it makes you sound less natural. So, what's the solution? You need to train your brain to think directly in English, like native speakers do. And no, you don't need to be fluent to start. You can do it even as a beginner. I'll show you how. Part 2. Daily exercises to start thinking in English. Here are simple daily exercises you can start using today to train your brain to think in English. 1. Name what you see. Wherever you are, on the bus, in your room, walking outside, look around and name things in English. That's a tree. I see a blue car. There's a woman with a red bag. X. This builds your vocabulary and your ability to think fast. 2. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, I know it sounds silly, but it works. While you're getting ready in the morning, say things like, "I'm brushing my teeth." "I need to make breakfast." "Where are my shoes?" You don't need a teacher. You are your own conversation partner. 3. Use an English inner voice. Throughout your day, try to think in English, even if it's just simple thoughts. Instead of thinking, "Ben kahve istiyorum," try, "I want coffee." Or, "Bugün hava çok güzel" becomes, "The weather is really nice today." X. Keep it simple at first. It's not about being perfect. It's about practicing your brain to use English. 4. Narrate your day. At the end of your day, speak out loud or write what you did, but in English. Example. Today I went to work. I was very tired. I had a sandwich for lunch. Then I came home and watched a movie. X. This builds fluency and past tense practice at the same time. 5. Use English notes or to-do lists. Write your shopping list or daily plan in English. Instead of "Sutal, ekmek al, marktiget," write "Buy milk, get bread, go to the store." X. These small habits build your English brain over time. Part 3. How to avoid mental translation while speaking. So, how can you stop translating in your head while speaking? Here are 4 powerful tips. Tip 1. Use simple English. Don't try to speak like a dictionary. Use basic, clear phrases. That's how native speakers talk too. Instead of, "I am experiencing an intense desire for nourishment," just say, I'm hungry. X. The simpler your English, the faster your brain can process it. Tip 2. Learn phrases, not single words. Your brain remembers better in chunks. For example, how are you? Nice to meet you. Can I get a coffee, please? X. These ready-made phrases help you speak faster and more naturally without needing to build sentences from scratch. Tip 3. Practice speaking with no pressure. Speaking practice is not just conversation. You can read out loud, record yourself, talk to an AI, app, or your mirror. X. The more you speak, the less your brain needs to translate. It becomes automatic. Tip 4. Use visual thinking. Try to connect English words with images, not your native language. For example, don't think cat equals ketty. Think cat equals a cat. X. This trains your brain to skip translation and go straight to English. Part 5. Final motivation and your challenge. Learning to think in English doesn't happen in one day. But if you practice a little every day, 5, 10, or 15 minutes, your brain will start to switch naturally. You'll understand faster, you'll speak more smoothly, and you'll stop translating and start thinking in English. Here's your challenge for this week. Choose one daily activity, like making coffee, getting dressed, or cooking, and narrate it in English. Say or think what you're doing step by step. Example, I'm putting on my shoes. I'm opening the fridge. I'm making tea. Do this for 7 days, and you'll feel a big difference in how you think. That's it for today's episode. You're doing amazing, and I'm so proud of you for learning how to train your brain to think in English. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Do you translate in your head when speaking? What's the hardest part for you? I'm Shakespeare, your English coach, reminding you, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to keep going. Until next time, keep thinking, keep practicing, and keep speaking English. Bye-bye.